Before we get out of here, man, I did want to ask you, with 2024, our veteran community wants to know 5 major reasons on why to buy a home in 2024.
Oh man, that's great. That's great. So when we're talking about 5 reasons to purchase a home in 2024, one of the main reasons is going to be access to home ownership, as far as being able to find the home that you want with the lowest level of competition, right? Because there's still not going to be as many people in the market if you act fast on purchasing a home. Number 2 reason is going to be with those decreased interest rates. You're going to actually be able to buy more home, right? So that's another reason for you. Also, with so many different transitions, number 3 would be decreased lending standards, right? So a lot of our veterans are business owners like yourself. They actually opened up a lot of different new programs and things where you could actually buy a home if you're 1099 and have a lot more flexibility to do so, right? So you have that. Number 4, I would say, really to be able to secure your future for your family, right? Which is one of the most important things that you absolutely want to do. You want to secure your future for your family. And I would probably say number 5 is to build wealth, right? Purchasing a home is one of the number 1 wealth building tools. So you absolutely want to get in the game to do that. You can access your VA loan more than once. So don't feel like the purchase you make today has to be the last purchase. And also, when you're chasing that interest rate, understand again, and we have another video regarding this, and I'll actually put it on the screen. It's very easy to refinance as a veteran with their streamlined refinance program, so that if mortgage rates do drop significantly from what you get, you can take advantage of that as well.
Nice, nice. Man, listen, those 5 reasons for you guys. Again, Mr. Jones is a wealth analyst in the real estate industry. He's going to be able to guide you, put you through, from step A to step Z, making sure your success is your success. So, but with that, man, I'm really appreciative of all the information you have provided and also provided the veteran community. But with that being said, we have more to come. We are going to be breaking down again, regulations, manual references, and different things of that nature within the VA home loan standards and loan guarantees. So I'm really excited about that, man. Just to let the veterans know and kind of debunking those myths, right?
Absolutely. Let's do it. Let's do it, man. Let's continue to build in 2024, man. Continue to get 1% better each day. Prepare to compete. We out. Peace.